Step 1. Drain the humidifier module completely. Step 2. Open the controller cabinet, then find the humidifier and level controller. Step 2.1. Open the lid of level controller, wipe it clean with a soft cleaning cloth, and then put the lid back. Attention, do not remove the level controller body, that might change water level in humidifier. Step 2.2. Remove the screws and open the lid of humidifier. Step 2.3. Wipe clean the internal parts of the humidifier. When necessary, use a soft brush with handle. Attention, do not damage the silicone seal or the electrical heating element. Step 2.4. Put the lid back to humidifier and tighten the screws in a diagonal way. Thank you for watching.